Hi everyone, I'm Chef Alina Z and we just made these brownies in less than 3 minutes using 3 ingredients that are actually good for you. So check it out, watch this video and let me know how you like these. We just made cookies that were healthy and good for the weight loss, and you have to wait for them to cook because they bake for about 15 minutes. But this recipe is no baking, and it's incredible, trust me. We only have 3 ingredients like I promised you. Walnuts. If you look at the walnut, it looks like a brain. It's actually very good for your brain power, high in omega-3s. And if you think of a brownie, we need flour, we need fat. This already has the flour and the fat. We have dates. These are rich in minerals and healthy sugars because it's a whole food. And you really want to make sure that you're getting the dates that you pick yourself and that they're super squishy, they're super fudgy, because that is what's gonna make our brownies super fudgy. And then, of course, we need cacao powder. And this is a cacao powder that's unsweetened with a lot of fiber, and cacao is rich in magnesium, which is super awesome for our mood. And then we are gonna just put a little bit of salt because salt brings out the sugar. And then we're going to blend them in the food processor for about 2 minutes, and I'll show you how to know when they're done. So in the beginning, the food processor will start shaking because it's a lot of full products, right? We want it to slow down, to not be so harsh, and we want it to be smooth. You also want to watch for lines because once the sugar comes out and the fat comes out, it starts to get a little bit juicier, so it will start making lines inside. You'll watch for that. Okay, so I'll show you what we're watching for. When you go like this, you want it to be, see how you see big pieces of walnuts? You don't want that. So we want the whole thing to be like brownie, all dark brown. Okay, almost there. So the chocolate, oh, it's getting gooey, it's nice. Oh my gosh. Just maybe about 10-20 seconds more. And I think it's done. Oh yeah, it looks great. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're gonna take saran wrap. And we're gonna line a glass container. You can use a round glass container, you can use a rectangular one. I just happen to have this one here. I'm gonna show you guys how to make just a portion of this because I have a small container. Or maybe the whole thing, why not? Let's go crazy. Maybe it will fit. No, maybe not. Nope, okay. So we're gonna have to have 2 batches. So what you're going to do is make sure that this brownie batter is between the saran wrap, and you're gonna press on it with a saran wrap, like this. So your hands and your manicure are gonna be intact. And then you also don't have to do extra dishes. And you know what, actually, I might be able to. Let's see. Oh yeah, this is great. Oh, those dates were super fresh. And just pull it up like that. And it's done. Look at this. Oh yeah. The cool thing about it is you can manipulate it. Well, the cool thing about it is it didn't take time to bake it and then cool it down because I love instant gratification. Yeah, you can use the spatula like this to cut it in pieces. You can use a knife, of course. Do like little brownie bites. Look how cute! Oh my God, look at this. Look at the texture. Oh, it's amazing. Can't wait to try it. If you want to dress them up, you can always like put some coconut on it. You can put couple of goji berries. Don't really need them actually. I'm a purist. I like this plain, but try this recipe out. Let me know how you like it and how you are accessorizing your brownies. All right, guys, so now the big test. Let's actually taste these. That's one of my favorite parts of the job. So good. Honestly, like, not too sweet, but sweet enough. They're really good with like ice cream. How do you like your brownies? Tell me what to put in them, or how you like to eat them. I know it's like good to talk and eat, but my God, they're so good. And because I'm a professional, I need to have the whole thing to make sure they're really up to my standards. Delicioso. If you don't know how to cook, now you do. Hope you enjoyed them as much as I did. Until later.